Okay, so we're looking at the November 2016 intermediate tier non-calculator paper. This time we're going to look at question 7. Question 7 is a solving equations algebra question. We have 3 questions. The first 2 are expected to be easy because they're 1 mark questions. The last question is 3 marks, so that's going to take 3 steps. In question A, I'm thinking of inverses. I see a divide by 5. It's put here as a fraction, but this is divide by 5. I think of times by 5, and that's going to help me find W. Something divided by 5 is 10. W will be 10 times 5, which is 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Question B is also a divide question, but the unknown value, the letter, is doing the division. So this time I have to think about 42 divided by something. That'll give me 7. Now I know my 7 times table, so I know 42 divided by what gives me 7. I can't think of the multiply as the inverse because it would be multiplied by x. So for this one, I'm going to use the fact that 6 7s are 42 to know that the x must be a 6. 42 divided by 6 gives me 7. Works fine. In question C, I've got a lot more information and I've got y values on both sides. So the first step that I look for is to try and eliminate y's from one side. It's going to be this side because 9y is the smallest one. I'm going to take 9y off both sides of my equation to see how many y's I'll have left. So here's my equal sign. This side I'll have no y's left, just the number 27. This side I'll have 4 y's left with the number -5. This question is now a little bit easier. I've still got 4y, but take away 5 equals 27. I'm going to add 5 using my inverses to both sides of my equation. 4y, just 4y because they will cancel, is going to be worth 32. 4y's are 32. Again, I know my 4 times table, so I know what 4y's make 32. But if you need to do that extra step, that 4 is multiplying. Dividing by 4 will give you your y value, and 32 divided by 4 is 8.